Changing the water filter on a Samsung Family Hub refrigerator is one of those small, annoying maintenance tasks that ends up saving you time and money later. Plus, it's way easier than you think. Let's get started. First off, ensure you have the correct filter for your model. Samsung uses several types like half CN or half QN, so check your manual or the label inside. Trust me, ordering the wrong one is frustrated afternoon territory. Before replacing, shut off the water supply to the fridge. Water is like gravity. You don't notice it until it's working against you. Skipping this step means water might spray everywhere. Unplug the fridge for good measure too. Locate the filter. It's usually in the bottom right corner of the fridge or behind a panel. Some Family Hub models have it inside the fridge section near the top. Pro tip, take a photo of the old filter in place for reference. Turn the old filter counterclockwise to remove it. It'll have some resistance initially, but don't hulk it out. Just steady pressure will do. If water drips out during this, toss down a towel or keep a small bowl nearby. Before installing the new filter, remove any protective covers or plastic caps. Always double-check this step. Forgetting to remove these is like trying to drink coffee with the lid still on the cup. It's a rookie mistake. Insert the new filter into the slot and turn it clockwise until it clicks into place. You'll feel it lock. If it keeps spinning or doesn't sit flush, pull it back out and realign it. There's no need to over-tighten. Turn the water supply back on and plug the fridge back in. Run about 2 to 3 gallons of water through the dispenser to prime the filter. This clears out any air or carbon particles and preps it for use. Yes, it's waste, but it's necessary. Reset the filter indicator on the Family Hub screen. Navigate to Settings, then Water Filter, and tap Reset. This keeps your filter replacement reminders accurate. People often forget this step and live in false confidence. Quick tip, stick a label with the date of replacement on the filter or set a calendar alert. Samsung recommends changing filters every 6 months, but if your water tastes off sooner, don't wait, just swap it out. One common pain point, tough to remove filters. If the old one is stuck, use a wrench gently, but don't overdo it. Applying light pressure while wiggling will usually release it. Filters are snug, but not welded in. Using a clean filter ensures your family avoids unfiltered water, which can taste gross and potentially carry contaminants. 67% of refrigerator breakdowns relate to neglecting components like filters. Change it on time, and that's it. Changing the water filter is like flossing. Low effort, big return. Your water will taste great, your fridge will last longer, and you'll have that satisfying, I fixed it myself feeling. Total win.